I think we have read in the media about Honorable Kyagulanyi's intention to withdraw the petition. But that's a conversation, because they don't withdraw petitions through the media. Because when they were being filed in the first instance, they were not filed through the media. Court process has rules and regulations, and it is governed under the law and the Constitution. So, we believe Honorable Kyagulanyi must have had enough advice and counsel from his lawyers to appreciate and know how a petition is withdrawn. And for us, our lawyers are waiting to be served. Once they are served, they will appear for the hearing, and then the courts are going to make a determination on whether the petition is going to be withdrawn or dealt with otherwise. Now, for us, we have filed, NRM has filed its responses, and it is waiting for more evidence if it ever comes, so that we can respond to it. If it doesn't, and they petition or they make an application for withdrawal and is granted, for us we shall go back home and wait for the swearing in, provided the petitioner fulfills what the law says, because the law is very clear on what the reasons why a petition may be withdrawn and what one does after the petition has been withdrawn, including paying the costs of the respondents. What else would you do if you are the one? Because the only obstacle is the petition. Because once there is no petition and there is no rerun, then the transition into the next administration begins. And that's what the law says. But this one, it all started in the court of the people. The elections were conducted by the people. So which other people are you talking about? Unless there are other people coming from Mars. But on the 14th, it is the people who elected. And they know whom they elected. But what is true also is that there are people who elected President Museveni and the others who didn't elect him. So, what Honorable Kyagulanyi is doing may please others, and they will get excited. But those who elected President Museveni will be celebrating, waiting for the swearing-in ceremony for us to form a new government. That's how nature and human nature behaves. No, his opinion cannot impact the quality or the judicial system, because everybody has an opinion. But I want to tell you that Honorable Kyagulanyi is a product of the court. When Honorable Katinti was elected and NRM went to court, we removed the Honorable Katinti through an election petition. That is how Honorable Kyagulanyi was able to be elected, through a by-election. So he's a product of the court. But also, recently, on about 2 or 3 occasions, Honorable Kyagulanyi has been to court, and he has received favourable treatment and judgment. And he has celebrated. Who told him that whenever he goes to court, he has to win? That this time, because he was anticipating that he may not win, he very well knows that he may not win because of the evidence that he has, because of the procedural lapses that his lawyers have had. But otherwise, to the quality and the nature of judges, I don't have any iota of doubt about the Chief Justice and the other number of justices in the manner they have conducted themselves in protecting the sanctity of the court and the rule of law in Uganda. The election hearing process is very long in Uganda, because it started almost 2 years ago when the roadmap was launched by the Electoral Commission. And from that time up to now, People have been doing nothing because of COVID. Many have been in the electioneering. Now that the process is getting into conclusion, and we are soon getting a new government after swearing in, let people concentrate on work. Because if we don't work, how shall we pay the taxes? How shall we eat? How shall we live? How shall we pay fees? So let people go and work. Let people wait for the new government to be sworn in. And let them wait for our commitment and promise to secure the future and the lives of the people of Uganda through the implementation of the NRM manifesto. Once that one has been done, then Uganda will be a better place to be in.